All right, so.
Yeah, we were just doing a drive-by on this road right here, and we
Yep.
were like, wait a minute.
Hold on.
So we've gone through some crap in the woods, but we finally found it.
I mean, this looks like it was a road at one time. You can see it's like asphalt over here.
Yeah.
But I mean, as you can see, we walked in there. It's woods.
Yep. Pretty cool. Pretty crazy.
But there's asphalt, and there's.
Yeah, there they are. That's so cool. So what do you think's beyond that, Marcel?
Who knows?
That would indicate maybe a barn. That's kind of what we saw from the road.
Yeah. Well, there's only one way to find out.
That's right.
And it's my favorite 2 words. Let's go.
Join us on our search for the most abandoned, historic, and haunted locations our country has to offer.
It looks like we got some silos back here. So that looks like a grain dryer. Yeah, I'm gonna, as soon as I can get over here. Safely. Pretty cool, yeah. Look at that. Freaking gears and stuff.
That is neat.
And then whatever that thing is there.
Look at this. Can you read this? Fresh sweet corn.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, what's up with this? M and C. I don't think so.
Yeah, Matthews Company.
Here, J. J and M.
Oh, okay. Yeah, look at those. That's pretty cool.
That is so
Look at that fan.
wow, it's huge.
Thank you. But look at the fan. Oh. So here's those silos. I see 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Look at the nature taking over here.
Oh wow.
On this end.
Completely. Is that a ladder?
No, yeah, it is
It
actually.
looks like a ladder.
Yep. What? Hold on. So yeah, there's two grain silos right there. One here in front of me and one here. 4 of them. Turn the light on. Oh, neat. Empty. Cool. What's this thing right here? Just a shed? Oh yeah, just a long shed. Totally empty. Pretty neat.
I like how the barbed wire is growing into the tree.
Yeah, it's probably been there for a while. Oh, that thing's pretty cool over there. Look at that.
Is this electric fence?
Maybe. Not right now, it's not.
I'm not gonna show you.
Light on. Excuse me. Whew, big barn. Alright, well, we're not going down there, I guess.
What do you think about these floors?
It seems okay.
That's awesome.
If you're feeling spongy, it's this stuff on top. It's not the wood. Hey, there's a switch over there. Click it to make sure that there's no power. Just to make sure. All right, we're good, I guess.
That swing is awesome.
Yeah, it is. Okay, that's kind of random.
Oh, scale. That's a scale, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it is weird.
Look at how it's built, though. That's really awesome.
Yeah. Oops. Make a little more noise, would you? Dumbass. That was me. I was talking to myself.
This is so cool. What is that? Box is there.
Yeah, I don't know.
That is neat. Did you look in here?
Got a desk.
Look at the floor.
Hmm?
Look at the floor. That's probably what we're walking on.
Probably.
This is really cool. Okay. Probably had some barn dances in here.
You think?
Yeah. Awesome.
Oh yeah, look at the hat. The straw
Oh
hat.
my God. That is evidence of a party right there.
Yeah, it is. Hee-haw. And I am not going to sing the hee-haw song again.
Darn it.
I sang it twice already. Pretty neat though.
I'm in love with this swing. Did you see the ladder too?
Oh yeah.
What is this?
That's a fly paper.
Look at this. This is not where we are, people. Boy,
What? Huh.
interesting.
Yeah.
Well, we're definitely not harming it.
Nope.
The way it's built is so amazing.
Yeah.
Look at that.
All right, so weirdo. We couldn't get down those stairs up in the barn, but because we wanted to see the lower section. But we see an opening over here. But you see the fun stuff we have to go through. This is what just makes it all worth it.
Yeah, we're not going to be saying that tomorrow when we're covered in poison ivy.
Yeah, poison ivy and cuts and
Ticks.
oh yeah, ticks. I forgot about them.
In trouble for this one. This is like easy. Oh God, don't let there be mistakes.
See, who's the smart one in this relationship? I let her go first, so she could make a trail for me.
Yeah. You're welcome, Your Highness.
Oh, oh, Jesus.
Watch out for animals.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Pretty cool.
Wow. Look at how it's held up. This is amazing.
Yeah, it is. Back in the day when it was in operation. Probably been a while because you really don't smell animals anymore. You know?
No. Look at the way this wall is buckling in.
Hold on, I'll get it from over here. Oh. Oh, look at the little fence.
Oh. This is a cool trough, too.
Any animals in here? Hello?
We come in peace. What is this, Marcel? What's this?
I don't know. Do I look like a farmer to you?
Wow. Look, there's the stairs for the upstairs.
Yeah. What used to be the stairs, you mean?
Yeah.
Cool.
I mean, you don't have to be a farmer to know what stuff is.
You don't?
No.
Hey, let's see what's down here. An old lawnmower right there. Hey, that's those things that the cows would, their heads would go in those things.
Yep, the milkers.
Yes, the milkers, exactly. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, look at that old trunk.
Oh my God, that is neat.
That is neat.
Is there anything in it?
Let me make sure. What's this thing down here?
Look at this pan.
Oh my God, we can take that home. We can use it.
Yeah.
Those are better than mine.
Yeah. What else is in there?
Nothing in here, right?
That's so cool. I love it. I gotta get a picture.
It's not in the greatest shape, but
Look at that picture.
here, let me get out of your way. That is a good picture.
Oh, smokes.
Think these stairs are safe?
I don't think so. I don't think this whole building is safe.
Oh.
Onward.
Onward we go. Oh, no way. That's inside that thing.
Look, look, look. A heart.
I didn't get it.
Neat.
Just be careful of any of those tiles falling.
Oh my god.
Ooh, watch out for nails.
Probably gonna get pooped on.
Wow.
That is neat. Look at the way it's built. Cool.
Ooh. Oh. Wow, that is so neat. To think I almost missed that. Just because I wanted to be a hero and go up those stairs. Oh my god, the road's right there.
Yeah, I know. Maybe.
Hey, what's this thing?
Maybe not so much with the flashlight.
That's got to be cow poop.
Holy crap!
Exactly.
Literally.
Which I just stepped in.
This is petrified.
Why is it so scared?
What is it? Red box?
I think it is a bread box.
Wait, that shows my age.
Look at that thing.
That's cool. You never know what you'll find.
Nope. Man, you get a sore back in walking around in here.
I'm fine. Look.
Yeah,
Sorry.
look it, I'm not.
Well, that's because you're a tall drink of water. Know what I'm saying? Tall drink of water.
Whew. Oh, do we have to go back out that way?
Hey, look at this. Yeah. That's got to be old, right?
What is it? Is that coffee?
Look at the dude. Look at him.
What is it called? Savarin?
Yeah, it says the coffee of El something.
Cool. Hey, we can go out this way. I don't know what this thing is, but...
Oh, wow. Farm equipment of some kind.
Yeah, buried.
Yeah, good find.
This stuff is so tall you can't even see it anyways. Oh. So what do you think that is?
I think it's a chicken house.
Want to go in?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a little chicken, but... Get it? I'm chicken.
Get it.
Oh, phew. Cobwebs. I don't think this is a chicken barn. Definitely not.
You don't think so?
No. Look at the little sled.
Cool. Well, they fed something in here.
It almost looks more like a, just like a storage shed.
Maybe they just stored that feeder in here.
Chicken barn.
That old cabinet.
Oop. Just stay away from me. B. Not you, the
Yeah, thanks, I'll get it. I thought you meant me.
B. No.
Peaceful though.
Yeah, it is. Be good to get back to the car though.
Hey, what's this?
What?
Oh my god, it's so weird.
What the heck is that?
What is that?
What the heck?
Look at the way it's built.
Holy.
That's old. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
It's a prison. You know what it reminds me of though?
What?
It's like a root cellar. Doesn't it?
You think?
Look at that lighting. Yeah, sure. You know?
I guess it could be.
Farmers, they could have put their...
Oh, I see birdies.
You do?
See them up there?
Where?
Right up. Right there. Right there.
Did you get that on camera?
I think I did. Okay, that was us running like little sissies. Anyway.
Let's go back and look. Are they still there?
No, he flew out, didn't he?
I don't know. Maybe there's another one. You know, if we get too close to her nest, she's going to...
Yes, exactly. And that's probably why.
Yeah. Is that a nest?
That's a nest.
Aw.
Oh, is that gone? What? But look at this. It's
I don't
cool.
want to stress her out.
Yeah, exactly.
Look at this.
Nice, huh?
The way it's built is just amazing.
Huh. We were almost right to the car too, and this is what we find.
Look at how it goes all the way down there. There's like a rock wall
Yeah.
connected to it.
And it's like, see if I can show that. It's like, it's made into the side of a hill. Like right here. You can kind of see it.
That's so cool.
The hill goes up there.
We're going to have to drop a pin and find out what this is.
Cool.
Yeah, neat.
All right.
All right.
Now we're going.
Yep.